Welcome to A Taste of K. In today's video, I'll show you two different ways to boil plantain. One with removing the peel and the other one is boiling it with the peel still on. The ingredients I'll be using is plantains, salt, half of a lime, as well as water. I will be using the lime to help the plantain retain its vibrant color while it is cooking. Start off by removing both ends of the plantain. The plantain has a few lines on the skin. You'll use the tip of the knife and run it underneath the line, not going too deep. Then gently start peeling the skin away from the plantain. Most of the time, the peel will remove all in one piece. Sometimes you might have to re-slide the knife underneath the skin and start the process again. Now the second plantain, I'll boil it with the peel on. Start off by removing the ends of the plantain. Take the tip of the knife and run it right below the line that's on the plantain, not going in too deep. That's all I'll do to this plantain that I'll be boiling with the peel on. I used to only boil my plantain with the peel on until I had to learn how to remove the peel if I wanted to fry plantains. Just keep on practicing and you'll be able to remove the peel as well. Rinse the plantain under cold water. In a pot with water, add salt, realize that there is enough water to completely submerge the plantain. Go ahead and add the plantain and squeeze half of lime and add the peel as well. I allowed the plantains to boil with the lid on for 45 minutes to an hour on medium-high heat. Once the plantain was done cooking, I removed it from the heat, drained the water, and rinsed under cold water. Now all that is left to do is to take the backside of a knife and run it along the plantain before serving. The plantain that was boiled with the peel on, the peel will fall right off. Now there you have it, two ways you can boil plantain, one with the peel off or with the peel on. I serve this boiled plantain with Haitian style stewed conch. For a video on how I made that, go ahead and click the link below in the description box. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video.